Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and the purpose of this video is to share with you the income that I've earned on YouTube over the past year, essentially for the entire year of 2021. The channel was monetized about a year ago, and I started the channel about 2 years ago. If this is the type of video you're interested in, please let me know, and I will try and do it again next year so you can see how much the channel has earned in the year of 2022. Right now we're currently at about 2,240 subscribers, and also wanted to take this opportunity to tell you that I really appreciate you subscribing and commenting, liking the videos, sharing them, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Hopefully we'll see more growth this next year. And sorry about looking down here. I have my notepad here. So it's my first time on camera like this. Really don't have a setup for it. So that's why I'm out here in my workshop. I have pretty good lighting. Hopefully the background is a little more interesting than just looking at my face. And I'm usually, behind the camera talking about a product, mostly watches. And that's what I'm going to focus on. I have done some mini tool reviews or tool unboxings, but I've received some feedback that really don't like those type of videos. So really going to focus on watches, which is my main hobby, and then secondary hobby would be woodworking. Again, I really enjoy building projects. So let me know if you're interested in seeing some project videos, and also these type of videos with me talking to the camera. I clearly need more practice, but I'm enjoying this opportunity. I really enjoy making my normal videos with talking about watches. Speaking of watches, today I'm wearing the Tissot PRC 200, which was gifted to me from my friend Mark. Really appreciate that. And it's working well out here in the workshop because it's it's not heated, it's not insulated, so it's kind of cold out here. All right, so with all that said, we'll take you inside and show you how much the channel has earned over the past year. All right, so here we are looking at my computer monitor. Sorry, probably not the best way to do this, but it's kind of the only way I know how to do it. So right up there at the top left corner, the channel has earned $1,504.83 over this 1 year period, starting at December 23rd, 2020, and then all the way to today, which is December 23rd, 2021. So yeah, $1,504 in YouTube ad revenue. So it's about $3 per 1,000 views for the AdSense. And let's see, top earning video. So the number one earning video for the past year has been this one where I bought this rigid professional compact miter saw stand and put it together. And then it's not on here, but a little ways down, I also made an additional $20 on a follow-up video because this stand kept tipping over. And anyway, here's the next one, the Casio. This is my most popular video. It's a Casio Duro with a bunch of different straps on it. And well, here's the other ones. So the Seagull versus the HK Ed, chronograph, glycine combat sub, before and after Invicta. And then lastly, this Islander ISL 38. So there's a quick look. I'm not sure what else to show you here. Over here on the left. So October, in November and December, I've basically been releasing one video per day. I'm going to try and keep up that cadence. It's a lot of it is a lot of work, but I'm going to try to continue one video per day. and hopefully that works out for you guys. And we'll pause the video and head back out to the shop and give my final thoughts. All right, back out in the workshop here. Wanted to provide my final thoughts. So I think the number was $1,504.83. I'm actually kind of surprised, really, that the income is that high, the $1,500. Now that's, you know, income from the AdSense. I did receive a handful of watches. I don't exactly remember, but I received a handful of watches in exchange for video and also pictures on Instagram. So I haven't included that in this total. But also we need to consider that that's before taxes. I don't have a business or anything like that, so it's just going to get taxed at whatever my normal rate is. And also it is income, but it's not profit. I've paid, I don't even know how much money in shipping, you know, buying watches, selling them, losing money on that, and also the cost of shipping is my #1 expense for sure. But that's, you know, that's just the nature of the beast here. This is a hobby for me. I'm not really looking to make money at this, and any profit I do actually end up getting from the AdSense, I'm just going to throw back into the channel, camera, lighting, more watches, etc. Right now I got you on probably a 40-year-old camera stand, so you know, I'll keep upgrading as I go along here. It's been a real exciting journey so far, and again, I really appreciate you guys subscribing and watching the videos. You know, I end every video, at least I try to, with thanking you for taking the time for watching the videos. I really mean it. Really appreciate your time. It's your most valuable asset, and hopefully the channel will grow. Maybe double the subscribers. I don't know how that's supposed to work. I've done a lot of research and you know, trying to do my best here with the videos. And if you have any questions, please throw them in the comments. If you'd like to see these type of videos in the future, maybe I can do question and answer type videos. I can, you know, whatever you guys want to know, just we'll keep doing this. So I think that will conclude today's video. And again, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.